All right, hey everybody. So the video from our last class didn't work out, so I need to make a replacement for it, and this will be just a very short, concise summary of the material that we went through um, on Friday the 3rd. So we started, jumped right into transport protocols, and the two main topics, error detection, error recovery. So we're starting with error detection. We're looking at an example of if an application sends a UDP message in a IP datagram over a network. If we were to look at the MAC frame perhaps coming out of the link layer from the host that is sending the message, we would see the MAC header and then the payload, which would be the IP datagram. And we're identifying or looking at the IP header, and we'll look at that later in about a week. The UDP header um, contains no surprises here for us. The port number, destination and source port number, the UDP length, the number of bytes in the UDP message, and then the checksum. So I'll get back to the checksum in a second. Back to the MAC frame, notice the trailer is 4 octets of CRC. So and then the receiver, so it's worried about if the data has changed in the frame that is received. And so it computes the CRC, compares it with the CRC that the sender has included, and they better be the same. Um, this error detection goes on at different layers. So now going back to the UDP header, we see a checksum field, and a checksum is another approach or technique for error detection. The sender runs the checksum algorithm, and that produces a 2-octet value. When the IP datagram and the UDP message arrives at the receiver, the UDP transport layer at the receive side is going to compute this checksum on the